Friends, welcome back to HBAR Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction, the live price in Hedera hashgraph, as it a best time to sell, buy or hold Hedera hashgraph in this period. Friends, I'm going to show you in this video with a live proof. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of news and updates. So friends, let's see the live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph. What's the price change occur in Hedera in the previous last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. Let's see the price analytics, the price change occur in Hedera in the previous 2 hours. As you can see now of Hedera hashgraph price prediction of last 2 hours. So first of all, we see the chart analysis of Hedera hashgraph. So they falls down for a little time, as you can see here, and they after a small dumping, they again start jumping upward. Why? That is why, because it is the start of a new month. A lot of people want to sell it, a lot of people want to buy it. Now if we currently situation, we see the currently situation, so they are in the average, they are not goes upward, not goes downward. Why? Because it is the start of new month. A lot of people want to buy, or a lot of people want to sell it. That is why they are neutral, not goes down, not goes upward. So friends, what should you do in this time? My suggestion that, if you are a holder of Hedera, so my suggestion, that is the best time to hold Hedera in the with the end of this month. So my suggestion, hold it friends, because soon they are positive, and they take a high jump. As you can see here, the changes is about negative 0.82% change occur in Hedera in the previous 2 hours. In the high price of Hedera hashgraph is about $0.35661 with dollar is the high price of Hedera in the previous 2 hours. Friend, that is a live price prediction of previous 2 hours. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction of Hedera. As you can see here, as I told you in the start of this video, that a lot of people want to sell it, they falls down. A lot of people want to buy, they goes upward. As you can see now, they take a high jump, and now currently they falls down because a lot of people want to sell it. It is the start of new month, that is why people sell it. But my suggestion, to hold it. As you can see here, the changes is in positive 0.27% change occur in Hedera in the previous last 1 hour. And the high price of Hedera is about $0.35425 is the high price of Hedera in the previous last 1 hour. Friends, that is a live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. If you want this kind of more news and update about cryptocurrencies markets, so please don't forget to subscribe HBAR Tech channel, and also share your opinion about the Hedera hashgraph in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.